So how do you find how users are getting to your videos? Well, there's a pretty simple way. If you go down to analytics and you hit on content, you'll notice that we have a few pills here called all. Videos, shorts, you might have two more, which is posts and live. If you've done any live streams, they'll pop up as you progressively make different types of content or videos. But what we're actually focused on is how viewers find you, and that's over a period of time. So first off, you're going to want to let the YouTube algorithm start finding information about you for an extended period of time before you can actually use this as a source of figuring out how viewers actually find you and get to you. But eventually you'll have this nice pie graph that shows you the various different traffic sources. And below is actually a better representation, in my opinion, in the bar graph. It shows you the percentages of each individual category of traffic sources that can come to your channel. So direct or unknown is really just links outside of YouTube. YouTube search is basically whenever you search on YouTube. Then you have other YouTube features like side vids shown on other people's videos. External, typically like Google search engine. And then shorts feed, which is just the new feed of shorts, basically for the mobile app mainly. They also have a desktop version of this. Not sure how many people actually use that. I think a majority of them are going to come from the mobile app. But anyways, this breakdown gives you where people are coming from. So for example, a third of people are coming from direct unknown links. Another third are coming from YouTube search. So they're directly searching for the videos or categories that the videos are being shown on. Other YouTube features like advertisements in the side videos from a different link, or there's also one called browse, which is basically whenever a person sees your video on their homepage because the algorithm thought, hey, this person might like this video. That's also here. 16.7% of people are coming from there. So about a sixth of people from YouTube features. And then external, such things as search engines, Google being probably the top one, another sixth of people coming from there. Finally, shorts feed, no one has come from that side of things. But that's really just a breakdown of how this works. Again, if you go up top, you have your beautiful pie graph, which also shows you the various different percentages and kind of highlights what all this information means, just so you can understand it in a different graphical form. Now, if you need more information, you can actually highlight any of these categories and look at the eye, and then you get an actual description of where people are coming from. So it says traffic from direct URLs, YouTube search terms used by viewers on YouTube to find your content, other YouTube features, traffic within YouTube that doesn't fall into any other category, external traffic from websites or apps that embed your videos or link to your YouTube videos, and finally shorts feed traffic from shorts vertical viewing experience. Very good. Now that you understand how your viewers find you, you can focus on making videos that are more clickable by whatever category that you're using. The best way to do this, of course, is getting your click-through rate up, CTR that is, and that's by creating awesome thumbnails that people are going to click on. That'll take care of you in the search or other features. If a lot of people are coming directly or unknown, maybe from a different source, maybe you own a website and you're driving traffic into your YouTube channel, you can know that and focus more on getting those links updated on your blog or website. External, you might need keywords that associate your videos strongly with metadata so that Google and other search engines pick up your video and try showing it in search results. And finally, shorts feed. You want shorts with nice vertical thumbnails that people will click on. Maybe that's where you want to focus a lot of your time on, is those thumbnails instead of long form video thumbnails. But this is a great source to start with in order to understand how viewers are getting to you. Well, if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please make sure to post them in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe below, hit that notification bell for more YouTube tips and tricks about the studio and algorithm. Thanks for spending some time with me and watching this. I'll catch you in another video.